How to share an Aweber emailing campaign in 6 easy steps. Hi there, I'm Victor. If you enjoy this video, please click on the like button. To say hi or ask any questions, please do so in the comment section below. Also, please subscribe to my channel. So, with different email autoresponders, they have things that are email automations, autoresponder automations. And depending on the one that you're using, two popular ones that I know of and like are GetResponse and Aweber. And in this video, I want to show you 6 easy steps to share an email automation with Aweber. Now, this is only going to take 6 easy steps. You log into your Aweber account, you locate the campaign you want to share, you open the campaign, you click on sharing options and the toggle switch to make the campaign shareable, and then you have a code that you actually can copy and share with people. And then they can import that automation, that campaign, into their own Aweber accounts. So let's go ahead and look at this. I've logged into Aweber already, and I'm in the dashboard. And to locate the campaign, I'm going to go to the list where I have the campaign. So in this case, I have a funnelized list. That's what it's called. And here I go to Messages, Campaigns, and here is my campaign called Funnelized. Now, in this list, I could have more than one campaign. If I did, they would be listed here. I just have this one. And so go to your campaign, click on Sharing Options. There's this toggle switch right here. Click on that and it turns green and it makes it shareable. And what this tells you is that you can share this code with other people and they can import this campaign into their Aweber account. So you could have 100 different steps in your campaign, in your automation. And if you share it and share this code, someone could import that entire thing into their account. And then they would be able to go in and wherever they want to tweak stuff, like I do affiliate marketing stuff, and in the campaign, I have a link to go somewhere to a page where you can learn more about, for example, in this case, Funnelize, which is a great training on funnels for using how to understand them and how to use them. There's different kinds of funnels. And it's not about software, it's about how to do it. And that training, it's great training. If I gave you a copy of this code right here, you could import this funnel that I have for Funnelize into your Aweber account. And then all you would do, so I'd say copy, I could send this code to you. And then when you get it, you would import it in. I'll make a separate video on how to import a Aweber campaign that was shared with you with the code. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow. But you import it in, and after that, you would go into the sections and edit whatever you need to edit. And that sounds like a good second video. So to keep it simple again, all you did, 6 easy steps. You log in, locate the campaign that you want to share, open the campaign, click on Sharing Options, click the toggle to make it shareable, and copy that code. That's it. Simple, easy, 6 steps. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or anything like that, please put them in the comments section below and I'll respond to you. And please subscribe to my channel.